Hey guys, games. Today we will be learning and using tools in our game. So to set up a tool in our game, we first want to just make a normal part. This part can be named anything, it doesn't really matter. We want to go to workspace and we want to type in tool. And once you have a tool, you can name it whatever you want. And we're just going to put a part in this tool and we're going to name this part handle. You have to name it handle because it's required by the tool. So we're going to move the tool to starter pack, which will mean when we hit play, we'll see it in our game. So now I have a tool. So we can do more than just that with the tool. So if you've ever been playing a game and you can interact with the tool, this is normally how they do it. So they have a local script in the tool, and they say local tool equals script.parent and tool.activated connect function. And this basically all it does is when I go into the game, hold out the tool and left click, it says click. So, but we can also have tool.equipped, which when you equip, it will make it print I have caps lock on. Sorry about that. Equipped, and then we have tool dot. You got tool dot unequipped, which just is the opposite of equipped. You also have activated and deactivated. And deactivated is when the player releases the click. So we'll do that as well. So I clicked it, click, deactivated. So that is how you utilize tools in Roblox Studio.